Hello and welcome to Ginger Toast. Today I'm making an easy tomato soup. It's perfect with a grilled cheese sandwich or you can have it with a toasted bread. Let's see the ingredients needed for this. I have taken cornflour, salt, butter, tomatoes, garlic, black pepper powder, sugar, bay leaf and cream. I have also mentioned the ingredients in the description box. You can check it out later. Let's begin by keeping a pressure cooker or pressure pan on the stove. You can also cook this in a normal pot. Heat 1 tablespoon of butter, add 1 bay leaf and roughly chopped garlic. I have taken 4 big cloves of garlic. Fry this until garlic is roasted well and it becomes fragrant. Once garlic is fried well, add in the tomatoes. I am adding 6 tomatoes here. Any kind of tomatoes will work, but the ripest and reddest ones will have the best flavor. Add 1.5 cups of water to this and cook for 4 whistles. If you are cooking this in a pot, cover and cook until the tomatoes are cooked well. I have switched off the stove after 4 whistles. Slowly open the cooker. Now we need to remove the tomato skin. It will come out easily. Remove the bay leaf as well. I am using my immersion blender to blend this. If you are using a mixie or blender, wait for this to cool down first and then blend without water. Once it is done, strain this to remove the seeds. Reheat it over a medium heat for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste. Boil this for 3-4 minutes. Mix cornflour with 1 tablespoon of water and mix well. Add into this boil until it reaches a thick consistency. The soup is getting thicker now. Season generously with pepper powder. Also, you can adjust the salt. And 1 tablespoon of cream and mix well. The soup is ready. We can pour them into balls. I am serving this with a toasted bread. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. This is my daughter enjoying her dinner. If you try it out, please comment down below how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Ginger Toast. Press the bell icon for notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.